appreciate it, bro.
Pretty nice.
Huh?
I said I like the motorcycle.
I appreciate that. Hell yeah.
Okay, where did that go? He disappeared again. I'll be back at the house in the morning. I just came over here. Didn't think I was going to drink as much, and then ended up drinking about a 12-pack to myself. Bike sounds good.
Thanks, bro.
You enjoying it?
I am. I'm out riding around.
I can tell.
Yeah.
Well, be safe, brother.
All right, dude.
I'll talk to you tomorrow, though.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Peace. Okay, so we're at the hospital now. We've stopped. We've found the missing buddy, the missing friend, and we are on our way out right now, passing the beautiful Sacred Heart Hospital. I feel like a tour guide, but this is the easy way to go. Now that we've pulled over in the parking lot, we'll take a cruise through Grand Boulevard. Yeah. Old Zach is wound up drunk. That's alright. That's alright. You gotta love those kind of friends. Hey man, appreciate those rides, bro. I'm wondering if it's sprinkling, but there's literally no clouds above me. We'll go right through here. Give you guys something to look at. The white van. Kind of sketchy. Never pull over for white vans, people. This is Grand Boulevard Shopping Center. It's really cool. They got a nice movie theater, nice IMAX theater. Yep, now we're going super slow. Super slow. Super slow. We're going 8 miles an hour. But I guess, you know, it is what it is. Let's go this way. A little bit of fun. Grand Boulevard Shopping Center right here. Nice little eat. A nice little place to meet and eat. And we're here with a fucking Yoshi just disturbing the peace. That's not how the world works. So we're passing through Grand Boulevard here, and we're about to come up on the highway, get back on the highway. Luckily, I think there's some lights from here on out, which is good. And then we're going to start riding through the city. Yeah. We might even take the scenic route. Go all the way around this stupid thing. If you're coming to Destin, do not go to Sandestin. They are pieces of shit. Horrible, horrible place. I mean, it's not really horrible, but like people that run it are just horrible, man. They don't allow motorcycles, they don't allow anything. Appreciate it, bro.
Pretty nice.
Huh?
I said I like the motorcycle.
I appreciate that. Hell yeah. Okay. We made it to, this is what they call the Destin Commons. It's another little strip mall. We're gonna ride around here for a minute and just kind of see the sights. We got Bass Pro Shops over here and a couple other cool places, but this is kind of just a chance to sit and putt around, you know, see if we can see some people, but it's kind of too late for that. So we are just having a good time. We're out just riding and enjoying the ride. Subscribe. Ride around. See what we can see. See what we can see. Huh. Pretty cool. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Jeez. I would literally die if I met that shark. It might happen. I might actually die. It's kind of what they're designed to do. This thing is so easy to bring up. Tabletop manual. Fun stuff. We're all just having fun. Alright, so let's cut over here. We're kind of outrunning security. Security does exist here big time. We'll go through right here. If we can get the light to change, hopefully the light will change. Kind of sucks that it doesn't change, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe we got some people behind us that can help ease the situation. Hey, we got some people. Sweet. We're just pretty much gonna go parking lot hopping. Let's see if we can see anything interesting happening. Because on the streets in Destin, there's not really much happening. I thought about going to Fort Walton. We still might do that in a couple days, but right now we are shit. Right now I am not waiting. I'm just gonna put on in here, huh? it to you if you could see it, but there would be absolutely zero way you would see it. This is basically the tourist road that runs down the beach. It's a very beautiful road, very beautiful houses on either side, the beach is on one side. It's just an awesome place. It's where a lot of tourists come. And yeah, it's slower speeds, but you know, it's very nice, especially on a night like tonight. And they have houses like that. Look at that. That's so cool. With some little pop wheelies, nothing crazy. Sooner or later, we'll be walking wheelies down this whole fucking road. I can feel it. But this is what it's about for me. For me personally, this is what it's about. Being able to get out, whether it's 1 o'clock in the morning or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I can get out, see stuff, stimulate my brain instead of sitting around, and get to do this for basically free. I mean, a tank of gas is like zero on these things. It's dollars, like a couple dollars. So, and they're so easy to drive. I never have to use the clutch. I mean, unless I'm taking off. And it's just, you get out here, you get to enjoy, you get to get the fresh air, see the scenery, meet the people. You know, every now and then you have to deal with bullshit cops, but you know, it is what it is. They're working on that, and hopefully they can get that taken care of. Let's go through the parking lot. Sometimes it can be pretty crazy in the parking lot here. You never know. Probably nothing, but you know, we'll at least give you guys, well, I was gonna say something to look at, but there's actually nothing to look at over here. There's a couple picnic tables, a Harley Davidson. Jeep put its lights on, so we're just gonna fucking use this little footpath right here to get back on the road. Little third gear takeoff, nothing the DR can't handle. Crab trap, super overpriced, mediocre food. It's good to go with families and vacations. think this is where we say our dues and bid farewell, because I'm going to take me a little break here. Little breaky poo. Here's the bike if you can see it.